Welcome to this quick guide on booking an all-inclusive tour package on your Wakanow app. So you open the Wakanow app and log in your account. So on the home screen, you tap into packages or holidays icon, whichever one. The thing is, there are several interfaces for different phones. So just follow my prompts and you understand better. So on this phone, it does not have the packages or holidays icon, but on your phone it might have it. So what you have to do is browse through the available destinations or search to type in where you want to go. So filter the options to select an all-inclusive tour package. Select your travel date and number of travelers. Review the package details including flights, hotel, meals and included activities. Tap book now or continue. So enter all traveler information accurately as shown on your legal identity. So choose your preferred payments option. Pay and receive your instant booking confirmation through email. Thank you for watching and enjoy your trip.